Okay. Let me چیش کنم. Okay. Bismillah. به نام خدای بزرگوار. لکچر خود شروع میکنیم انشالله. Developing concept in architecture. A concept is an abstract idea. بخشن تلفون مقبول کنم. بخشن. Okay, so concept is an abstract idea that basically drives your project, or for a lack of a better word, it underpins the project. So how do we begin developing concept in architecture? So you guys have to understand that to an architect, the concept is what distinguishes the work of architecture from a mere building. So the more creativity or ideas or concepts are utilized, the better the building would be used or be easily used. At its core, architecture seeks to have, we need to solve problems with architecture. Basically, architecture is to solve problems. But it is the questions we ask that determines which problems we aim to solve. So basically, before we begin developing a concept, we must evaluate all existing parameters or practical constraints, okay? Like, let's go to the next one. Now, the constraints would be something like what you guys have already done, site analysis. It's actually, you can categorize it into three. The first one would be the site information, such as local climate, prevailing winds, surrounding buildings, context, history, opportunities that you see in the site that you can explore, or in vegetation, other contributing factors into your site, and then of course zoning that is going to really affect your project or your design, or you have to keep in mind those things. The second one is the client information. So you have to be very, very perceptive when you are speaking with your client. Your client could have cultural beliefs, religious beliefs and ideas, and the type of service that the building needs to have or provide, feasibility studies, what type of a building it is, sustainability factors, safety, and then of course cost. Okay, so okay, so when we say design idea intention, that's not just in architecture. In every form of art, a concept is necessary. So the next one that I'm gonna give you is the next slide will kind of give you an idea of what I'm talking about when we look at other forms of art, like music, painting, sculpture, fashion, interior design. Anything that you create has to have a concept. Okay, so I want you guys to listen, okay? Because I am very musically, I have very musically inclined. So this piece has been done by two people only, the singer and the guy that you see on the side. Listen to each part of the song and listen carefully. You see that all the components of the design makes the intention of this piece of art. So let's look at it. It's 2020. I should get YouTube always has this stuff.
We can't hear anything.
You can?
No,
No voice.
no sound.
No sound.